This 5-minute solution will show you how to change input device on Discord in mobile. So if you're using Discord on your mobile and now you want to change your input device, follow these simple steps. Open your Discord app and tap on this menu icon or profile icon. And once you are here, scroll down and tap on voice and tap on input device. And here you will get these two options. One is push to talk and another is voice activity. So you can select any of them for your input device. And also here you will get bunch of different options to customize your voice. You can increase or decrease output volume from here. You can also increase and decrease soundboard volume. You can enable echo cancellation here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.